Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A34 5G smartphone. In this video you will learn how you can change screen mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here and then go to display, then go to screen mode here. It is already set to vivid. If you want to change to natural, click on the natural button and natural screen colors will be applied here. Okay, if you want to customize vivid screen mode, yes, you can do it. Here you can control white balance. Okay, white balance is already set to middle. If you want to increase, yes, you can do it. Okay, this is warm. Okay, if you want to decrease, move to the left side and it is very cool. Also you can control advanced settings. Click on advanced settings and here you can adjust red, green, blue color. Okay, as per your wish you can set at any point and that settings will be applied for our phone. Now screen color will be changed based on the colors you have selected. Okay, so in this way you can easily change screen mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. See here, I once again show it. Go to settings, then go to display, then go to screen mode. Here you can control. Okay, if you want to set back to default, set in the middle and set to the high screen color. Okay, red, green, blue. Okay, so in this way you can easily control screen mode in your phone Samsung Galaxy A34 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.